The Mercedes-Benz V-Class W447, produced from 2014 to 2023, is a popular multi-purpose vehicle known for its spacious interior and versatility. However, like many vehicles in its class, it has some known reliability issues. Despite its popularity as a luxury MPV, owners should be aware of common problems that can arise. This video will cover the most commonly reported problems for the V-Class W447 model, along with typical repair costs to help you make informed decisions about ownership or maintenance. We'll focus on the key issues specific to this model and what you can expect to pay for repairs. Electrical gremlins are the most frequent problem reported in the Mercedes-Benz V-Class W447. These issues affect 25% of owners, according to a 2025 J.D. Power study. A 2025 J.D. Power study showed that 25% of owners reported electrical issues. Software updates are crucial to mitigate these faults. Ensure your V-Class has the latest ECU reprogramming. This can often be done at your local Mercedes-Benz dealership. The 7G-tronic automatic transmission is prone to failures, especially in diesel models with high torque. Symptoms include slipping gears. A full rebuild can cost upwards of €5,000, including clutch replacement. Regular maintenance and fluid changes can help prolong its life, but be prepared for potential issues. A UK owner reported a £4,500, $5,200 rebuild at 80,000 miles. Air suspension is a common failure point in the Mercedes-Benz V-Class W447. Leaking struts are typical, leading to costly repairs. One case showed a €3,000 repair bill for strut replacement. Some owners opt for coil spring conversions for cost savings. Be aware of this potential expense, especially on older models. The air suspension compressor alone can average $1,200 to replace. The W447 was subject to recalls due to defective Takata airbag inflators. In late 2025, a recall affected over 200,000 vehicles globally, including W447 models. These inflators use ammonium nitrate, an unstable propellant prone to failure, especially when exposed to moisture, leading to corrosion. Warning lights may trigger due to inflator corrosion, indicating potential safety issues. Dealers offer free fixes for affected vehicles. It's crucial to check if your W447 is included in the recall. This is a serious safety concern that needs immediate attention to prevent potential deployment failures. Annual repair costs for the Mercedes-Benz V-Class W447 average between $800 and $1,500 for models that are 5 to 10 years old. Transmission overhauls for the 7G-tronic system can cost anywhere from $4,000 to $6,000, as shown in this cutaway view of the transmission components. Parts availability for the W447 is declining, which could increase repair costs by 20 to 30% over the next 5 years. Proactive ECU reprogramming is recommended to reduce faults, as detailed in this technical service bulletin about ECU flash reprogramming. Overall, be prepared for higher maintenance costs with the V-Class compared to competitors like the Volkswagen Crafter. Experts advise buying certified pre-owned V-Classes with a full service history to ensure reliability and avoid hidden issues. Long-term ownership costs are projected to be 10 to 15% higher than competitors due to specialized repairs and parts availability. The shift to electric vehicles is influencing used values, with hybrid versions holding better resale due to their fuel efficiency. Demand may decline post-2030 due to stricter emissions regulations, but a niche market for vehicle conversions like campervans will persist. Check for any signs of modifications or amateur repairs, as these can be costly to fix and may affect vehicle reliability.